Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you all my fall and some Halloween decor, and I will tell you what items are new and where I got them from. These two trays I got at Walmart last year towards the end of the summer. They were $2 each. And these 4 candles I got at Kohl's, and they're all pumpkin spice, and these 3 are pumpkin spice, and this one is vanilla pumpkin latte. I also got these 2 candle holders at Kohl's. I can't remember where I got this one, if it was Hobby Lobby or Michael's, but this Give Thanks pillow, I believe it was Home Goods. And for sure the autumn leaves and pumpkin please was from Kirkland's. And I got this one from a yard sale last year. The skeleton hand I got from Michael's last year. I got to glue on the... Really, Churro? The skeleton hand I got from Michael's. I just got to glue on the thumb. And these 2 signs I got at Michael's. This one I got at Hobby Lobby last year. And then I'm sure you know where these are from. These are from the dollar section at Target. And these ones and these 2. And also this little stand. This is the only item I got from Vaughn's. And then also these 3 signs I got last year from Target. This one is from Michael's, and I actually received this one for my mother and father-in-law last year, and I believe they got it at Pier 1 Imports. And this dog. These 2 Churro. These 2 pumpkins we got at Hobby Lobby last year, and we got these kitchen towels at Kohl's. And I got 4 placemats from Home Goods and also these pieways. And I got these from Amazon for my daughter's birthday party. I will link it down on my Amazon store. Okay, so these 2 pillows. I got this one from Target last year. And this one I got from Home Goods this year. And I think that is all my decor. I might go back and get something for that white table for the bottom. But these 2 little guys, I had them last year by the fireplace, but I feel like if I put them up, my dog is gonna chew them up. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna put them up or where I can put them. Comment down below if you know a place I can put them. But let's get to decorating.
Baby, this is what you came for. Lightning strikes every time she moves, and everybody's watching her, but she's looking at you. watching her, but she's looking at me. Strikes every time she moves, and everybody's watching her, but she's looking at me.